Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video for all of you. And well, guess what just happened today? Another teaser, a promotional invitation from DJI to a brand new product launch that will be happening tomorrow, April 25th. And in today's video, we're going to be sharing with you this invitation from DJI and talking about which drone DJI will be releasing tomorrow and whether or not it is something for the consumer market or something more towards the enterprise level drones. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the upcoming Mavic 4, the Mini 5, and of course this brand new product that I will be releasing tomorrow, you already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and dive right into today's video, which will be quite exciting. So today DJI shared an invitation to their event that is going to be happening tomorrow, and this was shared in all of their social media accounts, including YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this teaser image from DJI and see what this drone could be. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. It says the following: DJI Global, of course, and it says ready, steady, go. April 25th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Eastern Daytime, product launch. And then right below it says DJI Agriculture, a big hint. And then we have a drone that apparently seems to be maybe like a Mavic drone, that kind of silhouette, of course, with an RTK module in the top. However, after further analysis, we have come to the conclusion that this unfortunately will not be a consumer drone, but rather a drone targeted for more of an enterprise kind of users. And this one in particular is geared towards the agricultural sector. Now you might be wondering, what kind of drone is this? Well, this is going to be the DJI Agras T50. This is a drone that has been launched in China for a little bit over a year now, if I'm not mistaken, but it's been a while since they introduced it there. However, tomorrow it is going to be making its global debut. So I think that is very exciting, as this is going to be a game changer when it comes to the agricultural world. Stay tuned for our next video, as we're going to be going over the Agras T50 in detail, sharing with you the official pricing, availability, and so much more. So that is going to be it for today's video. I just wanted to go ahead and share with you this news. I didn't want them to let pass. I wanted to go ahead and share this with you. And if you have any questions regarding this drone or any other, you already know what to do. Down below in the comment section, let me know and I'll be more than glad and happy to help you out. But that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with another episode. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.